Hi. How are you guys? This is my group. Hi, Larmont. You guys can unmute if you like. We have about another minute. Just waiting for a few. So I don't mind if you guys chat until we get started. It doesn't bother me. It's absolutely fine. But once we're started, then hi Ty. Okay. So I looked at I noticed something very interesting with the recent topic test. It was topic 8, and there were questions on place value, and some of them had some trouble with it. And this is my high group. So I'm going to be calling some of you on your phone, and I'm going to invite you to a one-on-one session because I noticed a lot of kids had the same question wrong on the topic test. I thought it was crazy. If you get a call from me, it's because okay, I'm gonna just mute for a second. Okay, all right. So it's cold outside, yes? It's cold. Yep. Yeah, Ty is ready. He's ready for the winter. You can unmute Ty. Oh, but except his thumbs. You can unmute Ty if you want. No? Okay. All right. So I am going to share my screen with you. Okay. So now we're going to get started. So I will not take any questions in the chat. When you're here, I need you to pay attention. Sometimes some kids, they kind of lose attention a little bit. Okay. So I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to disappear. You will not see me. Hold on. Hold on tight. Okay. And then you should see my screen, my notebook. So show me a thumbs up if you see my notebook. Okay. All right. Thank you, Elijah. Thank you, Makai. Thank you, Ty. Makai, you're smiling over there. Uh-oh, we kind of froze a little bit. Okay. All right, Ty sees it. Again, you can unmute. It really doesn't bother me. Okay. All right. So I want to read to you what we are going to do today. We are going to compare 2-digit numbers. And when we compare, we find where numbers are the same or if they're different and how they are, okay? So I'm gonna just ask you, how are those numbers the same or different? You're gonna have to tell me, okay? So after today's lesson, our objective is I will be able to compare 2-digit numbers. That's what you're going to be able to do. You're going to be able to look at 2 numbers and tell me how they're the same or different, okay? So I'm gonna ask you some questions.
It's right over here.
We're gonna start with comparing and ordering numbers. How are these numbers the same or different? I have the number 22 and the number 23. How are they the same or different? You can raise a silent hand. Larmont, thank you, Larmont.
Two and three are two, two and 23 is different because one has a three and one doesn't.
Okay. All right. So looking at these, I'm so sorry. Go ahead. You continue. I'm so sorry.
They're also different because because one's a higher number than the other.
Oh, so Elijah, he said one number is higher than the other. What number is higher than the other? Yeah, 2 and 23. He said, Larmont said one number is higher than.
I have only heard the same.
Which one is higher?
I know a way that they're all the same.
Okay, wait. I'm waiting for, I'm waiting for Elijah. Elijah, I have the number 2 and the number 23. He said one is higher. Yep, hold on, Arden, I got you. Which number is higher, 2 or 23, Elijah?
Three.
So I'm gonna look at 2 and 23 only. Is 2 bigger than 23 or is 23 bigger? Tell me about these two numbers.
22 is bigger because it has two numbers and 2 only has one number.
Okay, so it's the number 23. So he said, and Arden gave you he gave you like a little high five. You guys can give him a high five. He said 23 is bigger because it has two numbers, right? So look at this, guys. The number 2 has 2 ones only. This has 3 ones, but it has 2 10s. So we know automatically that 23 is bigger than 22. This does not have a tens place. Okay, does that make sense? Any questions so far? Okay, no questions? Okay. How about the number 9 and 19? Cooper, tell me about the number 9 and 19. Are one of them bigger than the other, smaller? Tell me what you know.
19 is bigger.
Okay. Ty, do you agree with Cooper when he said 19 is bigger? Thank you, Larmont.
Yes.
Okay, how do you know that? Ty? How do you know that 19 is bigger than 9, Ty?
It's more numbers.
It has more numbers. Okay. All right, good. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and has a 10. Right? How many 10s does the number 19 have? Ty?
Say it again.
How many 10s does the number 19 have?
1.
Perfect. Okay. Tell me about the number, Arden, tell me about the number 4 and 40. How are they the same or different? Compare those two numbers. Arden, can you tell me about 4 and 40? What do you know about them? Ty, can you tell me about 4 and 40?
Wow.
Are they the same? Are they different?
They're just relaxing.
Ty, are they the same or different? 4 and 40.
Did you say
40.
did you say my name?
I think you said time.
I'm waiting for Ty to respond.
No. They're not the same.
Okay, he said they're not the same. Elijah, how are 4 and 40 not the same or different?
They're not the same because 40 has a 4 and a 0. 4 has just a 4.
So in other words, it has just ones, right? It's just 4 ones all by itself, Elijah. And this has 4 tens and 0 ones, okay? So when you're looking at numbers, when you guys have to compare numbers, you have to look at the highest place value. So when it comes to the number 40, the highest place value is the tens place, okay? Now I want us to put these numbers in order from low to high. Arden, I need your help. I have 9, 3, 12, 90, and 55. Arden, can you give me the first number? Thank you, Makai. He's crying. Now Elijah's crying.
What?
Arden, I have 9, 3, 12, 90, and 55. What number goes first? I'm going to order them low to high. Okay, guys, thank you for the emojis. Arden.
I can't.
No more emojis.
I don't know if you can hear me. Can you hear me, Arden? Okay. So I have 9, 3, 12, 90, and 55. Can you start putting those numbers in order from smallest to largest, low to high? Unmute. You have to unmute, Arden. I can't hear you.
All right. Okay.
Okay, I'm not sure. Arden, can you hear me?
The first one is kind of confusing me now. Or the one that's out of order.
So they're out of order. I want to put them in order, low to high.
I think it's not. I think it's 3. Okay, so it's
Okay, Arden. Okay, I'm going to call on someone else. I can't really hear you that well. Larmont, first number, low to high. What is the smallest number here? Let's put the Go ahead, Larmont.
3, 9, 12, 55, 90.
Okay, he did 3, he hit 9, 12, 55, and 90. Cooper, is he correct? Okay. Now I need the help of Ty to start me off. Now, the only reason why he was able to get that correct because he knows his place value. He knows that 3 is smaller than 9. He knows that 9 is smaller than 12. 12 is smaller than 55, and 55 is smaller than 90. Now, keep in mind the tens place, if you have a number in the tens place. Okay? Makai, start me off. What is the smallest number in our list of numbers here? Makai, give me the first number.
3.
12, 2, 9, 90, 53.
She gave you another set of numbers to look at.
Oh,
She
wait,
gave you
what?
some different numbers. Look at them.
Can't see.
Using these numbers, baby.
You don't see them?
No. Okay.
12, 2, 9, 90, and 53. Do you see the numbers?
I don't see.
No.
Oh my goodness.
Makai doesn't see the numbers?
No. No.
Makai, can you see the numbers now?
No, no, ma'am.
No.
Is it
No, ma'am, he doesn't see them.
What? Elijah, do you see the numbers? Kai, do you see the numbers here?
What is happening?
Ty. Colin, do you see the, Cooper, do you see the numbers? Okay. Cooper, can you put those numbers in order?
Well, you saw the other ones. Why can't you see these?
9, 12, 19,
No.
53, 90.
Something you done done. Something was up there before. That's why I
I
changed it.
didn't do nothing.
Okay. All right. Okay. So Makai said he couldn't hear the see the numbers. Can you see my notebook, Makai? No? I don't know why. Okay. Okay. So when you're comparing numbers, first look at the tens place and then the ones place. And you have to say to yourself, do these have the same amount of tens? Okay. Ty, you looking up? Look up, Ty. Okay. So now I have a 12 and I have a 22. I need to know which one is bigger. Well, let me think about these numbers first. I have the number 12. This has 1 10, 2 ones. This has 2 10s and 2 ones. I know that the number 2 is bigger than 1, so the number 22 is bigger. Okay. What about the number 32 and 39? Which one is bigger? 1 second. Yep. Lorman, which one is bigger, 32 or 39?
39.
Okay. Arden, he said the number 39 is bigger than 32. Is he correct? Arden, is he correct that number 39 is bigger than 32? Okay, Arden, how do you know that 39 is bigger than 32? I do not hear you. Ty, can you hear me?
Yes.
What's going on? Technology is weird. Elijah, 32, he said 39 is bigger than 32. How do we know that's true?
Because 39 is the biggest number than 32.
Okay, we know that it's greater, but how do we know that? What do we see in this number? How do we know that
Because 39 has 3 10s and 9 1s.
Okay. What about 32? So how is 39 different than 32?
Because it has 3 10s and 2 1s.
But how do I know that's true? But what is it about 39 or 32 that we could say that number is bigger? It's not the tens place because the tens are the same, right?
No.
So then what place value is telling me that one of those numbers are bigger? What place value am I looking at? Ty, move that little plus you have. Thank you. You didn't pay attention. We have 3 10s and 3 10s, right? Looks the same to me so far. 2 1s and 9 1s. There's more 1s than 39. So that's how I know that number is bigger, because 9 is bigger than 2, and there's more 1s right there. Okay? What about this number? 45 and 54. I need a number. Which one is bigger? And how do you know that it's bigger? Pay attention. I took it out. Pay attention. Arden? You need to be watching the screen now. This technology is kooky today.
But they're different because
Internet.
45 is more than 65 and 55 is greater than 45.
I only heard you say one thing. I heard you say 54 is greater than 45. Is he correct? Makai, is 54 greater than 45?
Well,
He said 54. Is it bigger or smaller than 45? 54, Makai?
Yes.
Yes, it's bigger, or yes, it's smaller. Which one?
Yes, it's bigger.
Ah, he's right. So how do you know that, Makai?
Because of you count and you have 4 and then you count one more, then it's 5. So if you have 5 10s, it has to be 50, and if you have 4 10s, and then it has to be 40. And
So what I heard you say is you're looking at the tens place, right? Okay. Now how about this, guys?
how about this? How about this?
I have the number 102 and 100. Which one is bigger, and how do you know?
That's the word.
Which one is bigger and how do you know? Larmont.
it's bigger because what is because this was the other one has a 1 and the other one doesn't, so that makes the other one has 112 and one has 102.
Okay. So what I heard you say something about it has a 1. Now I want you to use your math language and tell me which place value you're talking about. Are you talking about the hundreds place? Are you talking about the tens place or the ones place? What are you talking about?
Talking about the ones place.
Okay. All right. So the ones place. Well, let me tell you one thing. First of all, when you start comparing, always look at the highest place value. So there's a 1 here and a 1 here. So far, they look the same to me because they both have 100s. But what about the tens place? There's 0 and there's 110. Is that going to help me find out if which one's bigger? Cooper, tell me what you're thinking.
Bigger.
Can you unmute Cooper? So there's no tens here. That has.
Hello.
Is that going to help me?
Yes.
Okay, tell me. 0, 1.
So it has 10 more than the other one.
So this is what he said. It has 10 more. It has 110 more, okay? And then this has 2 1s, and that has 2 1s. So number 112 is bigger than 102, okay? What about this number? Which one is bigger and how do you know? Ty, start looking at 153 and 135. Which one is bigger? Which one is smaller? What do you see so far? Elijah, anyone?
Which one's bigger?
Go ahead, Ty.
Smaller.
153.
Is smaller or bigger than 135?
Bigger because the one and the 153 and the one and the 135, whatever is the next letter, that and the second letter is bigger than the other one, then you'll know that that letter is bigger.
You mean number?
Number.
So this number is bigger. This is 5,
Yes.
right?
Number in the tens.
So you looked at the tens place because in the hundreds place, they both have 100, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So that looks like this. Here's your 100. $50. 153. I didn't look at the hundreds place because they both had 100. I had to look at the tens place. I had to, okay? What about this number?
I know more. No.
How do I know which one is bigger? I'm sorry, Arden, it's been a little hard to hear you, but thank you for staying in,
So you can see
staying
it.
connected. How do I know which one is bigger?
Thank you.
Larmont?
The left one, because the left one has 4 more than the other one.
But what are those numbers though? I hear you saying the left one. Tell me what those numbers are.
299 and there's 295.
299, 295. There's 200s, there's 9 tens, and there's 9 ones. Okay? So the 200 is the same, our tens place is the same, our hundreds place is the same. Well, here's the difference. 5 and 9. So you always have to start at the first place, the highest place value, and then move your way all the way down. I'm gonna stop sharing. Okay. So you start with the highest place value. In this case, we did hundreds. So the hundreds was the highest place value. Both numbers had a 2. The second highest place value was the tens. They both had a 9. One number had a 5, and the other number had a 9. And we know that 9 is bigger than 5. Okay. Are there any questions? Larmont, how are you sitting? Are you comfortable?
Yeah.
That's your current mood. Okay. So listen, guys. So in order to find out, to compare numbers, look at the highest place value and work your way down. Hundreds, tens, ones, or thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. Okay. Wait, let me do one more with you. I wonder if you can tell me what number is greater. I'm going to put a number in the thousands place. Are you ready? How do I know which number is bigger? Some people are alive now. Some have been sleeping this afternoon.
I know which one.
Start with the highest place value. How do you know which one is bigger? Ah, Elijah.
1,320 is greater because the other one has 1,322.
Ooh, I see a 1, I see a 1, a 3, a 3, a 2, a 2, a 2, and a 5. I know 5 is bigger than 2. So that number is greater, okay?
What? It's just green.
I could have went to the 10,000s place. I could have went to the millions place if I wanted to, okay? Can I do one in the millions place? Okay. Last, last one.
Yes.
Oh.
I hope y'all ready to be in the millions place.
You do not want to do this, and that's what I'm gonna say.
How do I know which one is bigger? So this is millions, 100,000s, 10,000s, 5,000s, hundreds, tens, ones. How do I know which number is bigger? Now Ty wants to raise his hand. He wants that challenge. Who thinks this number is bigger?
Oh no.
Who thinks this number is bigger?
Me.
Okay. I'm gonna call on someone who's been sleeping this afternoon. Somebody been a little sleepy. Okay. Cooper, which number is bigger? Number A or number
I'm
B?
gonna do this one. I'm gonna do this one.
This one, is this one bigger? Number A or number B?
Number B.
Ooh, because I have a 1, a 3, a 2, a 5, a 2, another 2.
It was that one.
Okay, so that means I can give you any number. I can give you any number and you can tell me, okay? All right, yes, Ty, one comment and then I gotta go.
Can we do a billion one?
Yes.
I kind of have to go. I kind of ran a little late.
Please.
Next time.
We'll do it on Thursday. I promise I'll do it on Thursday. Okay, guys, I'm going to say goodbye, and I'll see you on Thursday.
All right, bye.
Okay, take care.
Wait.
Gotta go.
Oh, I actually really gotta go.
Bye.
Bye, Cooper. Bye, Arden. Bye, Makai.
Say bye.
Bye bye.